everyone! My name is Kraus and welcome to another edition of Case Unboxing Video. Today I'm not going to do an unboxing, but I am going to have a guest, and here she is, Miss Lex. Yes, hello.
Hi! How are you?
Yes, Mare. How are you?
Okay naman.
So, how long have you been collecting Funko Pops?
More than a year na rin.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yun na, about myself talaga, nakakaloka to.
Of course, I want to know you.
Okay, so I'm Meg. I've been collecting for more than a year already. I'm a senior copywriter at GMA International, so I cater promos for international channels of GMA. I'm also a part-time professor at St. Scholastica's College, Manila, Mass Comm Department. And I'm a proud single mother to a 8-year-old kid. So there. I'm collecting Funko Pop, Wisecracks, Dorbs, Rock Candy, and Nendoroids also. Big Stay Night Collection, Star Wars. And I have metal diecast. So, Batman, Superman, mga ganun. Ayun, tsaka Mystery Minis, just ko Lord, adik na ako kay Daryl Dixon. Highest level na to.
Yes, she is actually a certified Daryl Dixon.
And Arrow, my God.
Oh, there you go. There's another one.
Yes, so there.
So, this is quite of an ambush unboxing video.
Correct. So, I'm proud of this.
What do you have in store for us?
Okay, so dahil biglaan ito, minsan lang ako pumunta sa Green Hills. Nandito nga pala kami sa Green Hills. So, minsan lang ako mapadayo dito kasi layo sa akin. So, nag-call lang ako today na on.
Speak for yourself. Malayo rin sa akin.
Yes, it's very far. Correct. So, nag-call lang ako ng onte. May ka-meetups lang ako ng onte. So, ito na yun. So, una, Daredevil. So, kinuha ko na ito para sa anak ko and all that. FYI nga pala, mag-unbox ako pero hindi ako yung normal na nag-unbox na ingat na ingat ka sa
She's
box.
actually the out-of-box collector.
Yes,
So, you know, she doesn't follow tradition of how to open a box properly. She just opens it.
Correct. So, this one is Daredevil.
Alright, so just a note for you everybody, this Daredevil is not actually a line of the Marvel. This is actually from the Netflix series Daredevil.
Yes,
so
correct.
there are two different Daredevils. One is from Hot Topic, the Marvel edition. The one is the red and the yellow and black. Netflix edition. So,
Right.
open away.
Okay, so since I don't care sa box, let's open it.
So,
Hindi ka naman di buksan mo lang. Yan.
Okay.
At hindi ko alam na bubble siya.
Yeah. Most of the Marvel are actually bubble. So, there you go.
So
Even
nice.
you see the details, diba? It's so nice. So, you see the new outfit, right? Diba? That is so cool. That is really, really cool.
Nice. Gusto daw na ano ko pa so hinol ko siya. Not bad for 400 pesos.
Oh, right, diba? So, where do you get that 400 pesos from?
From online sellers.
Diba? So, that's a benefit about having joining in the group of online sellers. One that we also know of a good online seller was actually Joshua Reyes. Joshua Reyes is actually not a flipper. He's not a flipper. Just take note, guys. And when he's organizing a group buy, he's one of the guys who actually just gets the cup, makes it so cheap for you to get. Hard to find, exclusives, even the common ones. There's even one time he was selling it for like, how much? What's the cheapest one we got?
50 at
150 for a box. Kasi $5, diba? There you go. So that's anything else?
Ay, medyo madami to. So, paririn na natin to.
Lubos-lubusin na natin.
Ooh! Gucci sa akin.
This is the much, it is sought after
Yes,
no, from Toy-Con.
This is from the, Toy-Con. Nice, legendary creatures.
This is among the six, one among the six.
Yes.
And it's just really good. You know the difference between every Gucci sake that you look at, blood splatter. It's different from it's unique kasi yung blood splatter niya, hindi pareho dun sa isa.
Correct, iba siya. So, buksan natin siya.
Go.
Tingnan natin
There you
kung
go.
paano.
Ano mo, kahit hindi siya kahit OBD siya, wala siyang care sa box, pero ayos pa rin siya magbukas ng box.
Yes. So,
Diba? Look at
there.
that, diba? Take a look at the really good design. It's freaky. The real freaky thing about this, for me, is the stitches in the mouth.
Yes.
Paano siya na-slice. Also, blood splatter. It's really cool.
Yeah, pero kasi para sa akin, kahit nakakatakot ako dyan. Depende siya sa angulo. Like, halimbawa,
Diba?
ay, bongga talaga.
That's nice.
Ito, nakakalawa
Yeah,
ko. Ito,
tricky
ganyan, diba? Huwag naman gano'n. Yan, ganyan.
Very
Okay.
good.
So, isa na lang, dahil sobrang tagal na itong unboxing na ito, ang dami kong hinol. Ito na lang, sige, huli natin siya!
Oh my god! This is guys, this is actually hasn't been in other stores. This is available actually where in Hobby Stock. Hobby Stock is actually the first retailer, and Toy Box. Those are the two toy stores that distributes Funko Pops that actually features the Invisible Jet. This is the Funko Pop version. I have the Dwarves one, that's just like half the size of it, but this is the Invisible. Ang laki, diba?
Yes, ang laki talaga niya. So,
Sobrang
sige,
laki.
try
So,
natin.
let's open it up.
Try natin i-set up.
Oh,
Malaki talaga siya.
Okay, sobra. This is probably the biggest Funko Pop that you got. Right here you go.
Yes, magas ang laki niya. Parang may nag-open ng... Okay.
Tara, ang laki, diba?
Kita nyo, may quartz
As you
siya.
see, oh, diba? And I believe that this is actually one of those pops that you will get a Wonder Woman, a classic Wonder Woman that looks kind of like a Linda Carter.
Correct.
Diba? This is based on Linda
Yes,
Carter.
kamukha nga niya actually.
Diba? This is so
So, kailangan mo pa siya.
So this is actually the stand that goes in the bottom part.
Oo.
There you go.
Daming chorba.
Yeah. Sobra. Pero ang ganda, ano to, sulit to. If you're a big Wonder Woman fan, you know, get nyo to.
Oo, pero ang... Ayan.
Baka mahulog.
Okay lang yan kahit mahulog din.
O masira.
Okay. Sorry this is the first time
There
we're
you go.
doing this. So, paano ba ito nilalagay? Wala may instructions or something? Medyo ano eh. Ayan. Ano pa? The other
And
side.
you just stick it in.
Ay, baliktad. Pwede
Sorry.
ba yung tsura niya? Oo, tama ka. Yan.
And this is the stand.
Sa ilalim.
Hold on.
Okay, cool.
Kahit yan lang, okay na tayo. This is the stand, and then you just have to... Tada! Oh! Galing, no?
Teka, lagyan ng isda sa loob.
Yes, pak na pak yan. Oh.
This
Right?
is amazing!
There you go.
Tada! Okay, that is so cool, diba? This is the Invisible Jet Funko Wonder Woman, and you can actually interchange it! Pwede sumakay ibang tao! Pwede sumakay ibang tao! Teka, makahulog ko to! Tawa ako, diba? So nice, no?
Okay.
Oh, and I can't wait to get one for myself.
Yes,
And
so
anyway,
nice.
yeah, this is so nice, diba? Thank you very much for this.
You're welcome. Ito kasi lang si Dario. Hindi natin
Okay,
siya
this is
kasalanan
actually
natin yan.
Syrian. So anyway, if you're collecting the DC line, there is actually indications here, no? This is just actually one of them.
Oh, it's so
And
pretty.
diba ang ganda? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Teka, alis na.
Sige, tanggalin.
Oh, diba? There's two pegs here, diba? So you can actually stick Wonder Woman. This is probably the only Wonder Woman that has a peg right away. As you can see, there's also small details here, like the uniform or the costume that she has. Really close to the real thing, really close to the original of Linda Carter. And the lasso of truth is right over here. And maganda rin yung design niya. It's actually really
Correct.
Stick it in right there.
Ah.
And there you have it. Sana nakaupo siya. No? Pero wala, nakatayo lang siya.
Tsaka meron siyang parang ganito.
Yeah, it has like a little handle right there. So you can just like move it.
Ay, weird lang na yung kamay. It's a Funko eh. So, nakaganon talaga.
Probably it's just for generally, they just wanted to put it
Yes.
nakatayo or naka-ano. But anyway,
Nonetheless, maganda pa
it's
rin.
really cool. Ako natutuwa ako sa kanyang ganda-ganda niya.
Yes. Impulse buy.
Diba? Kahit
Pero
ito,
okay
it's
siya.
actually worthwhile
Yes.
paying.
Pak na pak daw.
Correct. So, that's all for
Thank you
today.
so
Thank you
much.
as well.
Thank you, Mare.
Thank you. And this is not the only one video that I'm going to do to interview a lot of other collectors. There's going to be more. Just watch out for it. Again, thank you very much for Framer Toy Warden for letting us do this interview here in their beautiful store in Green Hills, Shopsville. And a big shout out to Joshua Reyes for the Daredevil pop, right?
Ano, hindi sa
Ay,
kanya
hindi pala
galing
yan.
yan.
Sino? Si...
Wala. Bago collector na.
Bago collector pala, I'm sorry. So, I'll find out who it is. Okay?
Yes.
So, once again, thank you very much for joining us in here. Case unboxing video. My name is Kraus, and ciao for now.